there is a 50% chance it lands on head and 50% chance that it will land on tail. Simply, right? But if you flip it right now, do you know exactly which one it will be? No, you cannot. But when I was blowing up my trading account, I treated every single trade like my life depended on it. If a trade lose, I fell into a deep self-doubt, thinking my strategy was broken. If it was lost two, three times in a row, I would get angry, I will revenge trade or try to force a win, end up wiping out my account. I felt like giving up because I could not handle the unpredictability. But then I read chapter 4 of Trading in the Zone. Mark Douglas explained that professional traders don't try to predict individual trade. They think in probability, just like casino. Today, I'm going to show you the shift that took me an emotional break into a consistent trader. In chapter 4, Douglas explained a concept that blew my mind: the micro versus macro perspective. At the macro level, as an individual trader, the outcome is completely random and unpredictable. Anything can happen. At the macro level, a series of 20 or 50 trades, the outcome is highly unpredictable based on statistical age. When I was blowing up account, I was completely stuck in the macro view. I thought a good trader was someone who was right on this specific trade because I demanded a win every single time. A loss felt like a punch on the face. Douglas argued that consistency only happens when you stop caring about the outcome of any single trade and start focusing on the next 20 trade as a whole package. Think about a casino. The casino owns a game like a blackjack or a roulette. When you have a small mathematical advantage, let's say 4.5% edge over the players, when a higher roller walks in and win a massive hand worth 100k dollar, does that casino manager pain? Does he experience self-doubt? Does he start revenge gaming to try and get the money back? Of course not. The casino manager understand that this is part of the game. A losing trade was not an error. It was just a random variation in the data. Once I understood that, the urge to fight the market completely disappeared. When I was on my verge of giving up, I had to force myself to embrace what Douglas called the next mentality. If you truly believe the outcome of any single trade is unique and unpredictable, then there is absolutely no reason to get emotional about it. You are just executing your setup, manage your risk, and if it hit your stop loss, you say next. You don't change your strategy, you don't double down your position size, and you don't doubt yourself. You are just let your statistical age do its job over a large sample size. You have to accept the risk. Consistency is not a magical chart pattern, it's a state of mind that accepts randomness in the short term and relies on probability in the long term. Stop trying to be right and start trying to be like a casino. If you want to keep rewriting your trading psychology with me, hit that subscribe button right now. In the next video, we are be moving to chapter 5 to look at dynamics of perspection and how past pain blind us to the current opportunity. Leave a comment below. Are you treating your trading like a casino, or are you still letting a single trade ruin your entire day? Let's keep it real in the comment. See you in the next video.